In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,125 in commission with affiliate marketing using Google Map. I will share with you which services, new services that you should start promoting on Google Map if you want to earn some serious commissions. And I will share with you how you can find good and trending product that those people will be interested to buy from you on Google Map and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, because I will share with you my secrets, my methods, my strategies that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on Google Map. And this commission was already paid. I made this commission just in one single month, in the last month, okay, in the month of November, from the first day until the day 30, and it's paid. This is my payment, this is my invoice, and as you can see here, it's paid $17,125. The commission that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, and so on. This is how this business works, and I will explain more and give you more details about this business so we can start this business and scale it and start making some consistent commissions like this. Okay, anyway, step number one for people who want to start making commission and start affiliate marketing, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying some good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So for example, if a person buy service from you, you will earn commission, and if this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep making commissions from each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, okay?
Affiliate marketing success depends on staying ahead, discovering the best products or services, understanding your audience, and scaling your business. But what if there was a way to make all of this easier and safer? Let me introduce you to Node Maven, a residential proxy provider offering the highest quality IPs in the market. Here's why this is a game changer for affiliate marketers. Access global markets seamlessly. With Node Maven, you can browse websites as if you're in any region, unlocking insights into top-performing products and services worldwide. Access global markets seamlessly. With Node Maven, you can browse websites as if you were in any region, unlocking insights into top-performing products and services worldwide. Safe and secure research. Protect your data while conducting competitive analysis or tracking trends. Node Maven, your connection is private and reliable. Efficient account and tool management. If you manage multiple accounts or platforms, Node Maven's residential proxies prevent IP bans and keep your operations running smoothly. With Node Maven, you'll have the tools to scale your affiliate business securely and efficiently. Try Node Maven today and take your affiliate marketing to the next level.
Just click here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, as you can see. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Google Map, okay? And I will share with you first which services you should start promoting on Google Map. So what you will do next, you need to go back to your homepage on Fiverr, click on the search and search for restaurant menu design. Search for this service, okay? Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, those people will buy those services from this seller and you will make commissions. So for example, like this one, level 2 seller, I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see 12 orders in queue, meaning that this service is working and people are buying this service. And I will show you which people are paying for this service and how we can find audience who will be interested to buy this service from you on Google Map. Okay, first what you will do, you need to copy this profile link. Okay, copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Google Map. Okay, let's go to Google Map. Go and open your Google Map like this. Okay, click on the search, search for restaurant USA. Search for restaurant USA. You can target United States, you can target Australia, United Kingdom, and Canada. Those four countries, they are really profitable countries that you guys can use to promote your affiliate links on Google Map. Okay, search for restaurant USA, and here you go. You will find a lot of restaurants here in USA. You can see unlimited restaurants, guys. Okay, so those restaurants will be interested to buy this service. A lot of restaurants will be interested to buy this one. Let me show you. To buy this one, menu design for food menu, restaurant menu design, to buy this one. Okay, let me show you the picture so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. This one, this service. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of restaurants, businesses will be interested to buy this one. Okay, but you can tell me that maybe they already have those restaurant menu page. Yes, but a lot of restaurants, they can be interested to redesign or to make new menu, that's to add maybe new foods in this menu or to edit it. So a lot of restaurants here will be interested, and I already tried this and it's working. Okay, so just pay close attention. I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see, let's choose the first one. You will click on this one here. So just click on the restaurant menu that you want to use, and you will see this bar like this. Scroll down, and you guys can see that this restaurant has a phone number. Maybe you can find the WhatsApp number from this phone number. Okay, you can use WhatsApp if they have WhatsApp. Also, they have a website, which is really good. So let's click on their website. Just click on their website like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this restaurant website page. You guys can see. So here is what you will do. Click here. You guys can see contact us. Click on this one and pay close attention. Scroll down. You have email. You can use this email to send a professional email with your affiliate link, or you can scroll. Also, let's scroll down. You can find their social media account here. They have Instagram, they have Twitter, and they have Facebook. Let's check their Instagram account, for example. Just click on the Instagram account, and here you go. You will be directly in their Instagram account like this. So here is what you will do next. Click on message. Just click on message here and you need to send a professional and friendly message to this restaurant page about the service that you want to promote, restaurant menu design. Okay, I will click here and I will use, let's go to Google, we will use chat GPT. Okay, and I will show you guys how we can do it. Just go to Google, search for chat GPT. This will be your home page. Click here on message, create a pro create a friendly message that I can send to restaurant page to buy this one, to buy restaurant menu design service from my link. Click here and here you go. ChatGPT will create an amazing and friendly professional message that you guys can send to those people to buy this service from you. And here you go. I hope you are doing great. I come across your page and noticed how much effort you put in surviving amazing food and creating welcoming. This is, if you are looking to check your menu design to the next level, this is a really good one. Okay, I will copy this message, just copy this message like this, and go back to Instagram to this page and put your message here. Okay, and here put your affiliate link. Okay, so go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you have a new account, you can see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and they still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for bit.ly. If you want to make your affiliate link short link, it's for free. Okay, I just like to make my affiliate links short links, making them look branding and professional. I will put my affiliate link here. I will click on create your link and here you go. This is your affiliate link. It's now a good link. I will go back to Instagram. I will put my affiliate link here and here you go. You guys can see. So what you will do next, just click on send and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. You guys can see. So if this restaurant page is interested to design a menu for his restaurant, he will get back to you. Okay, then you can send him an examples. Okay, if he is interested, go back to this seller profile page, click on this picture and send him those examples. Okay, you have a lot of examples here. Just double click, save image and send those examples to this restaurant page. You guys can see you have a lot. Okay, and that's it. That's how we can promote your affiliate links on Google Map. If you go back to Google Map, you have a limited restaurant that you can use. Okay, you have this one. Let's check this one. We have a new one here. You guys can see. Just click on any restaurant, scroll down. They have a phone number. You can use phone number. They have a website. If we click on the website again, we will be directly in this website of this restaurant. They have Facebook, they have Instagram, they have Twitter. If you click on their Instagram account, you will be directly, and here you go, you will be directly in their Instagram account. You can see. You can also sell this service. Let me show you. Restaurant. Search for food. Search for food design. Food menu design or food design. Okay, scroll down. Let me show you. You guys can see you have a limited services that you guys can start promoting on Google Map to those restaurant page. Okay, and here you go. You can see you have a lot. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching again. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Okay? What's inside in my affiliate marketing course? I'm sharing step by step everything, step by step my secrets, my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn over $10,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. You don't need to pay any ads money or pay for Facebook ads or Instagram ads. No, we are just focusing on organic free traffic. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much again for watching. If you have any question, like I said, just leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, like this video, and see you in my next videos.